Hi there, in this video I will review Email Octopus. You will get to know everything about Email Octopus and what are their plans and features, automation features. So you will get to know each and everything about Email Octopus. So if you are looking to get started with email marketing, then Email Octopus is might be better tool for you because it is affordable and easy to use email marketing software. So let's get started. So first you have to sign up on Email Octopus. You can create a free account and you'll get like around 10,000 emails per month, and you can store 2,500 subscribers in the free plan. So that is really great. So I have already created the account. To create your account, you have to enter the email ID, and they will ask you a few questions. So first you have to verify your email ID. So this kind of email you will receive. Click on activate and your account will be verified, and then they will manually review your account. They will email you and ask you a few questions, so you have to answer these questions and they will approve. Most probably they will approve your account. All right, and then you can start using Email Octopus. All right, and so let me go back to our account. Okay, so this is our account, and if I go to list, then this is the test list. I have already added a subscriber, and this is landing page and forms. From here you can build landing pages or email opt-in form. So if I click on create landing page, and then I can select the list, so all the data will go inside this list, and you can see these are ready-made landing pages. Let me choose this landing page, and you can preview and you can edit this landing page, and it is very easy to use, and you can add multiple fields. For example, I can add name field, first name, and I can add tags as well. So I already have the tags. So you can change the color. It's a very basic no code editor. So, and if you go to settings, then you can choose margin and everything. You can preview this page, and you can view in mobile device as well, and you will see Email Octopus branding because we are in the free plan. So in the email as well we will see Email Octopus branding. If you want to remove this branding, then you have to upgrade for paid plan. I will talk about it, what are the plans. Alright, and then you can click on publish. Alright, so we have published our page. So there you'll have to add your logo, and if you go to campaigns, let's leave it. All right, from here you can broadcast, you can send emails, your sending from name and your email ID, your subject line, preview text, and the list, and you want to send all subscribers, and from here you can see the advanced settings, and you will be able to broadcast. And inside email automations, you can build automation, very basic automation you can build, like when someone joins your list, you have to send the email, and then there's a wait time, and you can send another email. That's all you can do with Email Octopus automation. All right, and then inside templates, you can choose templates, and they have given us some templates, email templates. You can choose from here as well, or you can create your own. All right, click on create, and then you can choose different type of editor. So I will choose drag and drop editor because I like it, and from here you can drag everything. For example, I can drag text, and then I want to add video, and then I want to add button. So you can easily build email templates and save it and use it in your next campaign. All right, and then inside reports, you can see reports of your automations, your campaigns. All right, so I don't have any campaign, so I cannot see any report, and if I click on it, then you can see all the reports from here. You can click on view reports to see detailed report. All right, and yeah, that's it, and it is very basic tool. And if you want to integrate Email Octopus with WordPress or Zapier or Shopify, then you can easily do it, and through Zapier you can integrate with 5,000 plus applications. You can see some ready-made automations as well. And if I go to billing section, then you can see your plan. Okay, so in the free plan, I'm in the free plan, and I can store 2500 subscribers and send 10,000 emails per month. And if you want to upgrade, then their basic plan starts at $8 per month for 500 subscribers and 10,000 emails. And if I increase it to, let's say, 75,000 subscribers, then I'll be able to send 750,000 emails per month, and it will cost $190 per month. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. And if you want to just broadcast, then Email Octopus is for you. Email Octopus has another plan, Email Octopus Connect. So let me show you Email Octopus Connect. All right, so Email Octopus Connect pricing is different than Email Octopus, because in this plan, Email Octopus will use AWS, and then yeah, so the basic plan starts at $7 per month, and it goes to, like, if you host around 140,000 subscribers, then it will cost you just $180, and you will be able to send unlimited emails, because Email Octopus is using AWS server to send emails. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much.